All right, what's going on? If you are doing affiliate marketing or you're thinking about starting to do affiliate marketing, then I want you to watch this video because I'm going to introduce you a little $25 funnel builder that a lot of affiliate marketers are using to promote their products and services. But not only are beginner affiliate marketing users, there are some advanced affiliate marketers using it to promote their products and services. And what they realize also is that they can earn 80% commission recurring income with this little $25 funnel builder, which means you can earn $20 per month per person for as long as they stay inside of the funnel builder. Now, here's the beauty of it. In this video, I'm going to show you how other affiliate marketers are using it and how you can get access to it and potentially start earning $80% commissions, okay, using this funnel builder. As I said before, that's $20 per month per person for as long as they remain. Now, my name is Richard Hairston. I have been using this funnel builder since 2020 right now. And before I used this funnel builder right here, I was actually using a funnel builder called the Conversion Pros, which was a great funnel builder at the time. And that was like back in 2016. It had all of the bells and whistles, had an autoresponder, text messaging, you know, the funnel builder, you can build pages and things like that. It had all of that inside of there. But about, somewhere around 2018, 2019, it started going sour. The emails were hitting, spam boxes. The text messages wasn't going out as well. The owners of the company, I guess they got into it. It fell off. So anyway, I ended up going to the Home Business Academy. Now, before that, I joined the Home Business Academy twice, but I quit simply because I had the Conversion Pros and I knew the Conversion Pros. I jumped on the Home Business Academy because someone posted on Facebook that, hey, there's a little funnel builder for $25. You can earn $20, month residual income. So I jumped on it. But when I got into the back office, I was like, this was too complicated. And that was just an easy cop out for me because I had a funnel builder anyway, and I didn't want to go through the process of learning this funnel builder. So I put it off. And then I joined again and did the same thing again. I come up with another excuse, and the same excuse, as a matter of fact. I don't want to use this funnel builder. Too complicated, got to learn all this stuff. I already got a funnel builder. Well, when the Conversion Pros finally started messing up and just gotten terrible, that's when I went to the funnel builder inside of the Home Business Academy. Now, when I got inside this funnel builder, they had a little system set up that was beautiful. I mean, people were joining left and right, but then they just, continued that system and things like that. So, but I did not quit this time. I decided I was going to learn how to build this, use this funnel builder, create funnels, do the pages, all of that stuff right there. And so that's what I have done. So I'm going to share that with you in this video right here. So I'm going to show you, the drag and drop of the funnel builder, how some things work in there. So let's go ahead on and get started right now. I'm going to drop down in this corner. So this is inside of the new back office of the Home Business Academy. You got the Let's Go app, the Funnel Builder Premium Financial Literacy Academy, affiliate training, live coaching, and the Freedom Fest. What we're going to look at right now is the Funnel Builder. We're going to come over to the Funnel Builder. And what I want you to understand is that all of the training that you need concerning the funnel builder is right here. So you're going to start here. You're going to watch this video. Mike is going to explain everything to you. Connect with the community, Ask Sage, Freedom Crusader Manifesto, live daily events. The first thing you want to do is make sure you set up your funnel builder, okay? And I'm going to give you a little bit of that in this video right here, but you're going to set it up, okay? You're going to configure your funnel builder. You're going to buy and integrate in a custom domain, business email on your domain, plug in your autoresponder in, start building your list, and DMARC, SPF, and DKIM setup. You need to do this first, okay, before you actually start promoting, and you need to follow this training so you have everything set up properly. Now, here's the thing. You need a domain, but you can start off without a domain because they actually give you one, but it's like a long, ugly thing. So you want to get a domain name, and I just highly recommend that you use your name. Me, I use richardharrison.com, period. Every funnel that you build inside of the Home Business Academy, you can use it, richardharrison.com, whatever, whatever it is that you're promoting, you can always create another funnel for that, whether it's Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, or Network Marketing marketing company, whatever it is that you're doing. So you want to watch this video by Mike and explain it, and then go through this right here. Then you have all of the other training down through here as well that you can do with this system. And then you have live coaching that's explained to you right here. And also you have done for you funnels right here as well. So let's go into the actual funnel builder. So when I go into the funnel builder, I'm going to show you some of the drag and drop and things like that. So this is one of the funnels that I have. You know, I can come over here and look at all of the funnels that I've created under this domain right here. Okay, so I have some other funnels in here as well. Richard Hairston, six-figure Richard Hairston, unlimited income system, simple $25 business, simple $10 business, triple residual income. I can restore and delete funnel. But what I'm going to do is actually use a simple $10, but no, my $25, okay, funnel. Okay. So if I wanted to create a funnel, the first thing I would do, you just add a new step. Now what I would do is actually do a section label, and we're just going to do test. Okay, I'm just going to submit that right there. So that's going to put a test. It's going to separate all of your funnels. The next thing you want to do, actually click on new step. Go to page, and you have all of these templates over here in this template section that you can pick. I'm not going to get any, you know, particular one. I even have some templates in here myself. So if I come down through here, simple side hustle, Richard Hairston, you can click on that. It's going to pull up all of the templates that I have created in here as well. So let's just say you wanted this page right here, your $25. We're going to preview it. And you say, I like that page. It's simple. We can preview it on the tablet, preview it on the phone. Boom. Okay, I like that. Click select. And we're going to name it. I'm just going to name it test 25 opt-in. Okay, so, and it's going to actually put it right here. Now you can change this right here after that, but we're going to add it. Okay, so now we got that page. We're going to add another page. Let's go back again. Come over here, come all the way down, find your, and you're not going to see all these funnels in yours, but we're going to come over here. We're going to go back down to Richard Hairston again, simple side hustle, Richard Hairston. We're going to find the next step in that page. We're going to preview it. Boom. Okay, because you can add a video, check it out on tablet, check it out on that. Everything works. We're going to select it. We're going to do test. Well, let's do test 25 TY for thank you. Okay, we're going to add that page. So we're going to go back one more time because there's a third page to it, and you can only do just a two-step funnel. Okay, we're going to go to page, going to come down here and find Richard Hairston again, simple side hustle, scroll back up. We're going to preview this one. This is the last page. Going to check out the tablet view. Got 4 videos on here. Now you don't have to use this funnel. I'm just showing you how to actually get it done. And you can resize all of these buttons and things on here as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to select that page. I'm going to do test 25. I'm just going to say join. So all of that right there. So now you have all of your funnels into the account. You can click this little arrow up here, or you can come over here and go down and find the funnel here. But what I'm going to do, we're going to click this arrow and just go back. We're going to click this arrow and just go back. Now what you can do, if you want to change all of this text right here, anything you want to add to this page, you come over here to the plus sign, add widget. If you want to add some more text, you just drag it and drop it over here. That's all you have to do. If you want to add your social media just like this, you can do right here. So now you got your Facebook. Let me move over to the other side here so I won't be in your way. So you got your share page. You can go to the page and all of that stuff right there. All of this, you put your Facebook here, your X here, or Twitter here. If you want to add more, you click the add more. You can put click that button right there. You can pick an icon and things like that. So all of this, if you want to do it, share page, all of this, you got Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. If you want to do TikTok, you can do TikTok. You want to add Pinterest, you can add Pinterest. Now you got over there, all of those on there. Go to the page, and then you just simply go to work with those. So you can click it here, and it's going to open it up where you can just put in your information and all of that. So it's just that simple. You don't have to worry about doing everything. So if you click on Pinterest, okay, you can take it away, add it back to it. So you can add a simple drag and drop. If you want a new block down here, you can come down here where it says add a block, and you would add a new block. So all of these are like blocks and sections that you add in here, or columns that you add in here. So you have that right there, and then you simply click save. Okay, so you want to click on here right here and click on edit fields. You can edit the fields. You can put tracking inside of here, all of them. I'm not going to go deep into everything. Come over here, all of your settings. You want to go to the next page. You click right here. Go to the funnel. Next step recommended. Come down here and pick the thank you page. Select. It's going to go to the thank you page. You can put your autoresponder in here. Okay. And you can add tags so you'll know where that person came from. So now you got that page set. You click save, and you can come over here. Let me move back over to this side again. You can come over here and you can click the tablet view, and you can click the phone view. If I can get it to act right. Click the phone view of it as well. Okay, so now we go to the next page, and the next page is the same thing. This video, click on the video, edit the video. You in this section right here, you can put YouTube video, you can put a Vimeo video, all of that, whatever you want to put in here. You can add shadow to it. You can do that right there. Okay, add buttons, anything, drag and drop, change the text if you want to, highlight it, change the color. You know, if you want it yellow, it don't make a difference. It'll turn yellow if you want it. If you want this right here, let me see if I do that. If you want all of that right there to be green, you can change it to green. If you want this to have a background, you can click and edit and add a background to it. You can change the font, all of that. If you want to change the font to Arial, you can do that. It's totally up to you. Whatever you want to do in this little funnel builder, you simply click save, and you come over here, preview the tablet. Boom, tablet looks good. Come over here and preview the phone view. Phone view looks good. Okay. Come back, let's go to the next page. On the next page, I put like 3-4 videos on here. This video, frequently asked questions, this video, you know, and this video, the setup and all of that stuff is on this page right here. 10 steps, which is way too many, but I'm just showing you this as an example of what you can do with this. You want to make sure everything's working in your favor. You can check out the, you know, once again, what it looks like on tablet. You can check out what it looks like, okay, on the phone. One thing you can do, like these buttons are so big right here, okay? Let me show you this. What you can do is come over here and choose this entire block. Let me go up here and see, I got something copied. I'm going to delete that. You can copy a block and put it on the next page. So I'm going to copy this block right here, and then I'm going to come over to the phone view. Okay, and I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to grab this block, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it right there. Okay, now you see you have the same thing, but what you can do is hide this block, hide it right there, and now you can actually edit this. You can come over here and change the padding. You can change the radius. You can change the text size, make it a little smaller. That's the first one, and you come on, change on style 2. Bring that down some. You can go back up to style, text style 1, and, you know, drag it up a little bit to you right there where you want it, and boom, you can edit this on here just like that. And whatever you edit on here on the phone view also edits as well on the tablet view as well, but it stays the same on your main page. Okay, so that's what you have right there. Now, this is a nice little funnel builder. You have a store that you can have in here. You can see all of your contacts in here. You can see appointments in here. You have, you know, calendars that you can set up, all of that stuff in here. There's a lot that you can do with this little builder, and, you know, just have your way with it and things like that. So you can set up UTMs and all of that. You have tracking in here. You can have other funnels in here. I highly recommend you just use your name. And then if you do it like this, then go back over to the builder. Then if I come back over to funnels, you'll see this is Richard Harris. This right here is based on just richardhairston.com. But if you come down, go back to funnels. If you come down to the HBA funnel review, if you notice over here, it's going to be richardhairston.com HBA Funnel Builder. What I would do, you should have put it, abbreviate that, but long as you know what it is, you can do that. So you can have, whatever you want to do in here, you can actually do it. It's totally up to you. Okay. It's just, straight up. If you have here's another thing about this builder. If you have a autoresponder, inside of Kajabi or something else, whatever, and you just want to use, HBA, then you can put a code in here and have this go to that particular autoresponder. But the easiest way to do it, and let me go to another funnel, the easiest way to do it, I think I better go to this funnel right here. The easiest way to do it is once you're actually on the funnel, you can come over here and go to not funnels, come over here and go to settings, come up here and go to applications, and then you can add an application, Aweber, Facebook, Connect, email service, MailChimp, MailerLite, MoonSend, whatever it is that you're using, so you don't have to do that. Okay, so there are no upsells, there are no upgrades and things like that once you get the system. So this is perfect for beginners as well. And this is low cost. You don't have to invest $97 or $197. You have to upgrade to use all of the tools. Understand that you do have to get a third-party autoresponder. So, you're still looking at maybe you're looking at $25 with the funnel builder. And to start off with Aweber Get Response, it's like, you start off free, but then you get to 500, subscribers go up to like $15. So you're still in the good. And this is perfect for beginners. So if you're looking to get started with a, low-cost funnel builder and get access to this community and all of this training that's inside of this funnel builder, I highly recommend that you click the link that's in the description below. Go ahead and get signed up. I'm here to help you. You're going to have this entire community here to help you. You're going to have all of the training inside of this system to help you. You're going to get access to this system. You're going to get access to the affiliate system, access to some of the live coaching, especially like the ones we have on Saturday, and everyday calls, 5 days a week at 10 a.m. Eastern time that you can come in and ask your question. And if you have a question, you can't make the Saturday calls or whatever, ask the question in here and we'll answer it for you. So with that being said, if you're ready to join the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder, lock into it right now. Click the link that's in the description below. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.